Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use or create a Canva journal for your daily plan or tracking. So this is how to do that. On the Canva search bar, search for journal or journal planner and wait for your results to get good. So you can see that there are different, you can see journal planner. This one has 12 slides, daily planner, each day has even weekly planner. So you can design this to your tastes. This is in landscape and this is in portraits. This is just beautiful. So if you are looking for a gratitude journal, you can find it here. You just click on this one in particular. If you're looking for a personal journal, click on this. Daily planner, weekly planner, this is just beautiful. All you have to do is to search for this keyword journal planner on the search bar. And you guys, okay, one thing I must not tell you is that this is a paid plan, so you may not see any crown or pro feature. But for yours, if in case you do not have a paid plan, you can let me know in the comments section and I would work on that. But the free plan should be available for you to do whatever, to design whatever gratitude journal, personal journal you need. So once you've selected a particular journal, you can go ahead to click on customize this template and you can change the color, the heading, the text, and every other thing that you need to change to make it yours. So guys, thank you very much, and this is how to create a journal on Canva. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a comment below. Have a great day, guys.